Hello YouTubers, once again I'm Parvez and this is our 13th video in Python GUI development with Pyside2. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can use QVBox and QHBox layout in Pyside2. So this is the example for that. So we have, this is a vertical box layout and these are in a HBox layout. In this video I'm going to talk about QGridLayout. So you can use GridLayout to add your widgets in a row and columns. So you will, in a grid layout, you will have row and you will have columns. So now I've created a new Python file and I'm going to just copy my window code and paste it in here. We are going to change the title to GridLayout like this. And if you run this, you will see that I have a nice window. Okay, so the first thing we need to import in here a QDialog. Also we need a QVBox layout, we need a QPush button, and also we need a QGroupBox like this. So right now we don't need QDialog, so let me remove this. Okay, also I need QPush button. Let me add it in here. QPush. Oh, I have already added. Okay, so let me also add a QGridLayout in here. So now I'm going to create a new method in here. So def create grid layout. You can choose whatever name you want. Grid layout like this. First we need to create a group box. Group box. Please choose one language, and now we need to self.groupbox. We need to set font, so set font. You need to import QFont from I'm using Pyside, so from Pyside2 dot qt, or we just need to add this in here, so QFont. QFont, and this is sans serif and the size is 13. Okay, after this, now we are going to create the object of grid layout. QGridLayout. Okay, so we need some buttons. So this is our first button, QPush button, and I call it C++. Self button dot set icon, Q icon. I have some icons in my working directory, so cpp.png. And now we need to add this button to our grid layout dot add widget. We are going to add our button, and this is the number of row and column. So the first one is row and the second one is the column, like this. Now we are going to create button 1, QPush button, and this is CSS. Button 1 dot set icon, Q icon, css.png, and grid layout dot add widget. So we are going to add button 1 in the row, in the 0 row and first column. So now let me just copy this because we need some more buttons, and this is my button 2. let me change this. Button 2, this is C# and C# dot png. We want to add button 2 and change this to 2 and this the column to 0. Let me copy this again. Button 3, this is Python icon.png. The C# is in the first sorry, this is button, let me just, okay, this is for JavaScript. Let me change this. javascript.png, and that JavaScript is in the first 0, like this. So the C++ in the 00, the CSS is in the 01, and the JavaScript is in the 10, and the C# is, now this is for button 3, C#, C#.png. This is in 11, like this. Button 3. Let me copy this again. Now this time we have Python. Let me change this to 4 Python icon.png. Now the Python is in the row 2 second row and 0 column. This is button 5, java.png. It is in the row 2nd and column 1, like this. Now we need to add this to the group box. So self dot group box dot set layout grid layout. And now we need to create a VBox layout. Okay, in here, first I'm going to call my create grid layout method that we have created. Now VBox QVBox layout, VBox.add widgets, and we are going to add our group box to our vertical box layout. Now we need to set our main layout, self.set layout to the VBox layout. This is the complete code, and I will add the source code to the video description. Now I'm going to run this. Okay, now you can see but this button is in here. Why? The Java, I think I have not changed this to button 5. So now you can see we have a nice grid layout in a grid manner. So we have columns and we have rows. So thank you guys. I will add a source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share the video.